I didn't die peacefully. I was ripped apart by lies, by failure, by the silence that followed when no one showed up. They didn't kill me. I killed myself, piece by piece. Every time I trusted, every time I forgave, every time I held back what needed to be unleashed, and when there was nothing left to break, that's when I realized this is death. Not in the ground, not in blood, but in becoming invisible while still breathing. So I buried that version, the soft one, the emotional one, the one who gave a damn. And when I rose, I didn't rise with hope. I rose with hunger, with rage, with clarity. No mercy, no attachments, no more waiting to be saved. I stopped begging to be seen. I stopped apologizing for taking up space. I stopped shrinking to make others comfortable. I am not here to be liked. I am here to be remembered. And to be remembered, you must first be feared. Call it life after death. I call it evolution. Because the man they remember, he's gone. And what replaced him? Cold, focused, unstoppable. I don't speak unless it's war. I don't move unless it's violent. I don't feel unless it's power. See, when you've already died, you stop fearing pain. You stop chasing love. You stop playing human. You sharpen. You silence. You strike. They'll say I lost myself. What they don't understand is I had to lose myself to become something they'll never touch. So no, I'm not who I was, and I'll never be that again. This is life after death. It doesn't come with peace. It comes with purpose. Now ask yourself, have you ever watched yourself die just to rebuild a version no one can touch?